Ali bin Abdullah bin Abbas states that once Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu went to sleep in the house of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam rose up, performed the ablution, used the toothstick, and recited, undoubtedly in the creation of heavens and earth, and in the mutual alternation of night and day, there are signs for men of understanding. Surah Al Imran, verse 190. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up, performed 2 units, and observed a lengthy standing, bowing, and prostration in them, and then had a sleep until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam started snoring. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did it thrice and performed 6 units using toothstick, performing ablution and reciting 3 verses each time. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed 3 units of the odd prayer. Then the muazzin came and intimated him of the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to lead the people in the prayer. While he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was making this supplication, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, create light in my heart, light in my tongue, light in my ears, light in my eyes, light behind me, light in front of me, light above me, light beneath me. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, grant me light. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1796.